And here we go. Doing diag right now, making sure all our sequences and all our pistons are running right now.
Throttle position, see it's got a little exclamation point, it's got nothing. We don't have throttle hooked up. Alright, so the only thing that we're looking for and let's drag over oil pressure, fuel pressure, engine, throttle position, wipe it up, make it look pretty.
What are we doing right now, Tim, for the camera?
Fuel pressure. Did you already stop recording?
No, it's still we're recording.
Then engine speed. Yeah, I want to see.
Do we add throttle?
Brad, would you like us to add throttle?
Throttle. You fucked up all of our work. We have fuel pressure. Yeah, it's all hooked up, right? It's got a
Pressure and all our stuff looks like right there. What's your prediction? First crank she runs? Hopefully. Alex, predictions for the camera.
Be realistic. I say it's gonna fire. But I guarantee we're gonna have one. And then the second time, I think it's gonna be.
Very fair, very fair. And to the man himself, Tim, predictions for running.
We're gonna get this thing in running. I think first try.
First try? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First try. Confident.
Confidence is key. So far, 1 for 1. This engine ran very, very well.
It's going.
Are you seeing pressure?
It's not showing up on the computer. It's not showing up.
Well, you know, well, it says it's not installed.
Yeah.
But you gotta have the fuel pressure gauge somewhere. Assuming it's plugged in the right place. But you know what? We want to see, you see it on the gauge, right?
Yeah. It's on the gauge.
And then we got it. Is
I remember like
fuel trickling back into the... Oh, we had more.
What Clayton is doing right now is getting everything ready for prime. It is prime.
You guys are the ones supposed to be checking this.
And Brad,
I don't take any responsibility.
Brad has securely made his.
Yeah, well, it's on, let's hear fuel trickling back. It doesn't matter if it's open. Where's my button?
Where's our throttle?
There's no throttle on this harness.
Throttle?
No. We're gonna have to run throttle free today. Well, I mean, we can hook up a throttle, but we'll wait till it starts leaking and puking oil, and you have to fix stuff, and then we'll rerun it on.
Even Brad doesn't have full confidence in it.
No, I just like the trash talk.
What if it doesn't? Then we just rewire it and then we have fun throttle.
okay.
Okay, hit stop and go back to your the heartbeat looking thing.
Stop.
Ready? 2, 1. Oh, who's watching gauges? Tim, you watching gauges?
Yeah, I got the gauge here.
Just so I want to see oil pressure. Okay. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey, are we?
I don't see any leaks anywhere.
No leaks, but
Well, it's just, you know,
It hasn't
it's
even
hot.
ran yet.
It's not very tight, or it wasn't very tight. Not that it necessarily, it should be a little bit. Does anyone have any kind of wrench? Like even now, when I unplugged this thing, what popped up? It should say we should have got this status. We should have got an error. Huh? Down in the bottom left.
Nothing.
There should be something lighting up when I unplug this.
No one gets paid for the red pump, right?
Yes.
No one in the gas station. Yeah, because there's no speed in cold mode. Actually, this is it does right.
No, that's like oil. That's oil pressure. There should be. Sometimes they take.
You're talking too soon, man. You still got time.
Yeah, yours.
Plug it back in. Do we see anything? Yeah. All right, what are we seeing over there, Tim? Anything pop up or anything? Nope. All right. You ready? All right, let's try this a little bit faster. Clear.
Come on, baby! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Ah! Hey, no leaking, no!
Hey, I fucking called it. A little leak.
Let's go!
We're taking a little bit. Get that, yeah. See, I want to do throttle, and I want to do.
Bring it here, boy!
I fucking called it.
Bring it here, boy!
Get that